Hi, welcome to the Atomic Aura YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the acidity of phenols. First, we should know what is acidity. Acidity is an ability of a compound to release H plus ions in an aqueous medium. So, let's focus about these equilibriums made by alcohols and phenols. Actually, phenols are more acidic than alcohols. The reason is this equilibrium shifts more toward right than this. The reason for that is stability of phenoxide ion. This ion is more stable than the stability of alkoxide ion. We can further explain that by the following resonance structures. Okay, let's look at these resonance structures to further explain the acidity of phenol. We discussed that the acidity of phenol is greater than acidity of alcohols. We can explain this by these resonance structures. Phenol make these resonance structures, but this plus charge on oxygen make this structure very unstable. This structure is very unstable, but when we release an H plus like this, it becomes phenoxide ion. This structure, however, is very stable. That is because this anion is displaced into benzene ring and make this structure very stable. That's the reason for the acidity of phenol is becoming greater than acidity of alcohols. If they ask why phenol is more acidic than alcohol, you should draw these resonance structures and you should explain why phenol is acidic than alcohols. Now you know why phenol is more acidic than alcohols. Now let's further discuss about some details. Okay, now let's discuss what happens to the acidity of phenols when some other groups are fixed to the benzene ring. We know methyl groups are very ring activating groups and nitro groups are very ring deactivating groups. Now we already discussed what acidity. Acidity is ability to release H plus. Now what happened here is the electrons are drawn towards the benzene ring and this hydrogen atom releasing as an H plus ion. That makes this phenol ion acidic. Now what happens if a methyl group fixed to this? We know methyl groups are very ring activating groups. That means it provides electrons to the benzene ring, which makes this process weak and the acidity of the phenol becomes low. Now you can see that more the methyl groups fixed to the benzene ring, the acidity becomes lower. Acidity becomes lower to this side. Now let's recap what we have learned. We learned that methyl groups are very ring activating groups which provide electrons towards the benzene ring and it weakens this H plus releasing process initially leads to the lowering of acidity. Now let's see what happens if a ring deactivating group fixed to the benzene ring. Ring deactivating group means it draws electrons from the benzene ring, which makes this process very easy and releasing H plus becomes very easy. So more the ring deactivating groups fixed to the benzene ring, the acidity will increase. To this side, acidity will increase. Okay, now let's see how acidity varies with the position of NO2 group in the benzene ring. We already know that OH group is orthopara directing group. That means it increases the electron density in these ortho and para places. So what happens when an NO2 group fixed to the meta place? Meta place does not have much electron density. That means NO2 does not have much electrons to draw toward its sides. That means this process is not so difficult than the other two. Now we know that meta position is the lowest acidity among these three. Let's consider about ortho and para positions. Let's consider about ortho position. It's like this. Between these hydrogen and oxygen atom, there is a special type of secondary bond called intramolecular hydrogen bonds. Because of these intramolecular hydrogen bonds, hydrogen gets slightly difficult to release as an H plus atom. Because of that, the acidity of ortho position gets lower than the para position. Now let's see about the para position. In para position, there is no such difficult because there are no intramolecular bonds. So we can see that the lowest position is meta, then ortho, then para. Now let's recap what we have learned today. We learned that acidity of phenol is greater than acidity of alcohols. The reason for that is stability of phenoxide ion relative to phenol is greater than the stability of alkoxide ion relative to the alcohol. We discussed with these resonance structures how phenoxide ion gets stable. Then we discussed what happened to the acidity when a ring activator and a ring deactivator fixed to the benzene ring. We learned that when a ring activator fixed to the benzene ring, the acidity will decrease, and when a ring deactivator fixed to the benzene ring, we learned that the acidity will increase. Then we discussed about how acidity will change according to the meta, ortho, para positions. I hope you understand those content, and I hope to meet you soon with another video. Thanks for watching.